Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650 and concept is pronoun and parallelism. Let us move ahead. It says when the technique known as gene splicing was invented in the early 1970s, it was feared that scientists might inadvertently create an Andromeda strain, a microbe never before seen on Earth that might escape from the laboratory, and it would kill vast number of humans who would have no natural defenses against it. So there are two 8 and 8. All right. So it is what I mean, which noun it belongs to? It is Andromeda, right? So it says a microbe never before seen on Earth that might escape from laboratory, and that microbe means Andromeda. Microbe would kill vast number of humans who would never have no natural defenses against microbe. All right, so both are fine. So option A is okay. Option B, it and it, fine. Option C, it, fine. But option D, it is them. And option E, them. Here they means again microbe. So option D and E out. Now left with A, B, C. Look here, this is parallel marker. So what it wants to say, that might means microbe might escape from the laboratory and microbe would kill vast number of humans. All right. So here instead of it should be only verb. All right, because might escape and might kill vast number of humans. What if we use it twice? It creates redundancy. So two times it uses incorrect, it gives confusion. That's why it should not be used. From parallelism point of view, because it says that might means microbe might escape and microbe kill, that should be the parallelism. Already microbe as a subject has been used and after that it is escape verb, so the parallelism should be verb to verb instead of it would. Incorrect parallelism in option A, incorrect parallelism in option B. By the way, B has one more error, that is with no natural defenses. Humans with no natural defenses means what? By default they do not have natural defenses. All right, but here it says against particular one. With no defenses means what? With no natural defenses means what? It is against microbe, not by default. So it is giving incorrect meaning. That's why B out, C becomes best option.